typically you'll just see REST APIs out there in the wild. Um, Apple really is promoting the async await mechanism moving forward to handle concurrency. So I would lean into this and build out some small projects that show that you're familiar with async await and also error handling. So if you remember correctly from the previous sections, we talked about error handling. This is where that will come into play. Um, and yeah, once again, I don't have any examples here, but if this is something that you're interested in seeing, I can create a video for this specific stuff so you can see it and know where to start and feel comfortable putting that in a portfolio project. Um, for some of these things, the setup might be a little tedious. So if you just want to like get something out the door, don't be afraid to just um, reuse third-party APIs. One big one that I've used in the past is the IMDb framework. It's like a third-party API, and I was using that to fetch movie titles and movie images um, to show like a collection of movies on the screen. That was just like a really simple portfolio project that showed that I knew how to handle authentication and also handle networking from backend to code and vice versa. And once you get familiar with these tools, you can go ahead and build out your own API client with like a networking layer that handles both request and response models. And you can mock this out with testing. I actually covered this in a previous video that I did about unit testing in iOS. Um, yeah, it's a little on the advanced side, but I think if this is something that you want to promote in your portfolio, which I highly encourage, don't shy away from testing. And yeah, there are some third-party libraries that exist out there for networking layer called AF Networking and Kingfisher. These were some of the popular ones when I was doing this back in the day, but I think these still exist and are still valuable. Okay, so working with data. I think this is still a valuable thing to have in your portfolio projects.